Easter egg hunt 2012, youngest to oldest, 1 egg apiece. It's a short Easter egg hunt. It's abridged.
1 egg apiece. No, youngest to old, wrong way. Oh my god.
Derby, no.
Rory, you're messing it up, guys.
It's okay. It's okay. No, no, I get to open one. I get to.
Derby, stop. No, I do.
No, I'm the oldest.
Oh, they lead to the door.
They lead to the door, right? Rory? Okay, youngest first.
Oh, yeah. Chick? What the heck? Are there chicks? Is there a chicken in here?
Are there baby
I
chicks?
don't want a chicken.
This is the worst. Like, seriously, why would you get us a chicken?
Watch out.
Oh my gosh, there are baby chickens!
Thank you. I don't know what to say.
Rory loves chickens. We can tell.
Where did you get chickens from?
We'll tell you.
What are we gonna do with the fridge?
Okay, we're gonna bring them out to the garage.
We're gonna be farmers.
Yeah.
Are we gonna cook it? Like, what the hell?
No, eggs. We're gonna have eggs. Quinn and Rory love eggs in the morning.
Thank you so much.
All right, happy Easter.
So, we got a chicken, but we didn't get a dog. This is kind of messed up.
No, it's an in-between pet.
It's an in-between pet right now.
But now we're farmers.
Thank you so much.
This is the coldest place you could possibly have them. You're supposed to have them
Oh,
inside.
that's cool. The clear top works great for video.
Dad, you're supposed to have them inside with this.
We got 6 chickies, and we all get to take care of
Okay,
one.
now I'm happy because I kept making me chicken.
Right, Mom, can
6
I see one?
chickies.
But just know that they're pretty much.
I can't wait to
Over and
Pat,
out.
you
Happy
guys
Easter.
got chicken.
Happy Easter. Dude, what are you doing? A chicken dance, Rory?
Oh, we're gonna have to clean up their
Dad made a comment yesterday.